In this video, we will learn how to navigate on SketchUp. There are 4 tools that are important when navigating on SketchUp: Orbit, Hand, Zoom, and Zoom Extend. Towards the end of the video, I will also teach you 2 more additional tools that I find very handy when it comes to navigating. Let's start with the first navigation tool, Orbit. Orbit is situated on the toolbar right here. On clicking, you can see the icon appears on your screen. There are 2 other ways to access the Orbit tool. One is by clicking O on your keyboard, or the other one is by holding down the scroll wheel of your mouse. The Orbit tool helps to rotate the camera around your 3D model to change the viewing angle. The next tool for navigation is the Pan tool, which is found right here. It's often colloquially called as the Hand tool as well. The Hand tool can also be accessed with the H key on your keyboard. The Hand tool essentially moves your camera view around without changing the perspective, just like this. The Zoom tool probably needs no introduction, but it is available right here on the toolbar, and you can zoom in by just clicking up or dragging it down. Another way to use the Zoom tool is just by using a scroll bar, think, in such a manner. What is important is how you zoom into the object. As you can see, when you are placing your cursor over the object and zooming in, it zooms towards the object. Whereas if I try to place the cursor on an open field and zoom in, it zooms into the open field. So it's best to keep your focus on the object that you want to zoom into to prevent getting lost in space. Suppose you open up your SketchUp file and all you see is this blue sky, or you're unable to locate the object. What you would do here is go to this particular tool called as Zoom Extends. This helps bring you back to the object wherever you might be. Now for the last 3 tools, we need to customize our toolbar to bring these 3 tools onto our screen. So right click here, go to Customize Toolbar, and bring Walk, Look Around, and Position Camera onto our toolbar. And I click Done. Let's start with Walk, or often called as the Walk Around. The Walk Around tool allows you to virtually navigate through your 3D model as if you're walking in it at human eye height. Just like this. So you can see, you can just move your mouse around and look around and come back to the same place. Next up, we have the Look Around tool on SketchUp. This allows you to pivot the camera view up, down, left, and right while remaining in a fixed position. For this, I will click on the camera tool right here and position my camera. Now, using the Look Around tool, I can move my camera head to focus back on the object. And as you can see, it gives me a view of the object from where I had positioned my camera.